Yeah, welcome guys to this tutorial. I am Gideon Hoye, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how to set up our event tool. Setting up your event tool is very important when you run your conversion ad campaign. Setting up your event tool is very important because depending on how you set up your event tool will determine the rate at which your conversion advert campaign will convert. Yeah. So now, in setting up your event tool, we have the purchase, we have the add to cart, we have the registration. And what I mean by event tool is that when a client lands on your landing page or your sales page, what do you want them to do? What action do you want them to take on your sales page? So in this tutorial, that is what we'll be learning. Quickly, let's dive into it. So setting up your event tool, this is what you do. So you go to this menu, you go to this menu here, then you go to event manager. You have this event manager, click on event manager, and once your event manager opens, then you can set up your event tool from your event manager. Yeah, it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. Let's wait for it to load quickly. Let's wait for it to load. All right, so let's move to the event tool. So let's see all events. Yeah. Events manager. Okay. So setting up your event tool. Once a client lands on your sales page, you are running a Facebook conversion ad campaign. Once they land on your sales page, what do you want them to do? Do you want them to fill a form to complete a registration, or do you want them to add to carts? Do you want them to add to carts? Do you want them to purchase? So it depends on you on what you want them to do. All right. So quickly, let's move down to it. So this is the pixel I'll be using here. This is the pixel I'll be using. Locom. Let's look for pixels here. The pixel I'll be using. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's move to Locom Pro 1. Yeah, Locom Pro 1. Now, setting up your event tool. So you quickly go to add event, then from a new website from the pixel. So let's add event from a new website. So you want to install the pixel, the event. We want to configure the event using check for partner integration. All right. So we are using WordPress. Click on WordPress. Yeah. Next. Okay, I think this has been done. Next. It's active. So next. So let's set up our event. So because the pixel has been installed rightly, you can see that. So setting up your event, now you go to your website or your web page, the landing page or the sales page you want people to land on and take a particular action. So you paste the link here. So let me go to my website. Okay, let's go to the website. Okay, this is the website and these are the pages. So I want them to land on this particular page. Yeah, let me view. I want them to land on this particular page here. I'm running Facebook advert for this product. So you click here, you copy, and once you copy it, you now come to your event manager, you paste the link here, then you click on open website. Now this website will open on a new page, and you click on next. So it will open on a new page. And once it opens, then you can click on. Now, if you look at this website, for example, I want people to complete registration. Okay, let me delete this particular event that is presently there and configure it afresh. So you can see, I want people to, if you scroll down here, there is a form There is a form for people to fill. So people, they will be completing a registration here. I'll be collecting their data. So that is what I want them to do. So I will now click on add event, track new button. So you click on track new button. Then you scroll down to the button, to the submit button, where you want them to track. This is submit button. You click on the submit button, and once you click on it, you now come over here to select an event. You click on the event, add to cart, initiate checkout, lead, purchase, so and so on like that. So complete registration. I want them to register, and I confirm. So what can you see? It is confirmed. Then you click on finish. Here is finish setup. Click on finish setup. No event has been added. Okay, so click on finish. Skip. Yeah, so the event has been automatically configured. Then you click on finish here. All right, so automatically the event has been configured on the sales page. So as you can see here, it's writing complete registration, no recent activity. Now, for us to get activity from this no recent activity, you have to go to the landing page and fill the form. Initiate it. So let's fill the form. Let me write my name, my email address. Okay, my name. My WhatsApp number. Then my address. Let me just put something here. My address. Let me just put something here. Message. I will type whatever I type. I just want to initiate it. I want the event to start working. Then I click on submit. So once you click on submit, it will bring a thank you page. Yeah, thank you. We'll receive your details. We'll get back to you shortly. So once that is done, let's go back to our event manager. So here is our event manager, and see here. So let's refresh. Let's see sometimes the complete registration might take some minutes. It might not initiate immediately. So you need to go to the landing page, fill the form, or add to cart, or purchase, depending on what you've configured your event tool with. So once you've done that, you can see that complete registration, can you see, is now active because I've initiated an event in the landing page. Okay, so that is how to configure your event. So if you want to watch also how to install your Facebook Pixel, you will see I will drop the link in this video, how to install your Facebook Pixel. And also, if you want to check how to set up a Facebook conversion ad, it's also there. I'll be dropping the link below here. If you want to learn how to connect your website to your Facebook ad account, I'll be dropping the link inside the description below. So kindly hit the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. I will be making a whole lot of videos on Facebook advert, WhatsApp messages, Instagram advert, and so on. And also, I'll be making videos on how to build your website without coding. Yeah, how you can buy your domain name, how you can set up WordPress website. So hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.